Yo, what is up? I'm here for my Stanley Cup playoffs poker show episode 48, I believe. But before I start all across the entire world, subscribe if you're new, share the vid, push the notifications, and the good old like. Let's start. Hurricanes, Capitals. First period starts now. Jordan Stahl, 1-0. Anthony Olivier, 1-1. Ended the first period, now for the third period. Andrei Switchkov, 2-1. Seth Jarvis, 3-1. The Hurricanes defeat the Capitals by 3-1. I have a special short for this one for tomorrow night in a 15-second vid. Right now, peace.